This time we're making 3 different poses from the classic game Meccha Chameleon. And on the back of each one, we'll add double-sided tape so you can stick them almost anywhere. First, download the PDF template. You'll find the link in the description or on my profile. The fastest option is to print the templates directly onto white cardstock, but you can also print them on regular paper and glue the pieces onto cardstock afterward. You'll only need 2 sheets of white cardstock, white foam sheet, and optionally some double-sided tape. Now let's get started. These are the figures. Cut out each piece until you end up with this result. As you can see, each figure has 2 sides. You'll see why in a moment. Start by taking piece A1 and apply glue over the entire surface before attaching it to the white foam sheet. The foam gives the figure a little thickness, so it doesn't look completely flat once it's attached to a surface. Let it dry, then carefully cut it out. Repeat the same process with pieces B1 and C1 since they're the other 2 poses. Foam isn't the best surface for painting, and at this point the figures might still feel a little flexible. That's why we'll spread glue on the matching back pieces and attach them over the foam side. This way, both sides of the figure will be paintable, and they'll also become much sturdier. Now, to make them easy to stick anywhere, add a piece of double-sided tape to the back of each figure. And that's it. They're ready to stick anywhere and start painting. If you'd like to support this channel, join MomusCraft Premium. You'll be able to download any template from the channel completely ad-free. Thanks so much for watching.